Kim Jagtiani, born Komila Jagtiani on August 8, 1980, is an Indian-Canadian television personality who has hosted multiple TV programs, including regular appearances on Daily Planet for a series entitled India Unleashed. She was also a VJ, video jockey, for Channel V India, hosting Cool Stop, P.O.V and Club V, and was considered to be a household name in India.Born in Mumbai, India. She and her family moved to Oshawa, Ontario in Canada, and she altered her name from Komila to Kim in order to better help her adjust to Canadian society. Jagtiani won Miss India of Canada in 1999 and has modeled for Seventeen and Cosmopolitan.While vacationing in India. Television station Channel V contacted her, asking if she'd like to audition to be a VJ. Though she declined, her aunt made her reconsider, and she went to the audition. Believing her audition went poorly, she was surprised to be contacted yet again by Channel V, who offered her a full-time position. Leaving her studies at University of Toronto, she moved to Mumbai in 2000 to begin her new job. Through her 5-year career at Channel V, she learned to speak Hindi. Following this, she joined Star One in India to host the travel program Exotica.Jagtiani has also acted in several Indian plays and commercials and is trained in various forms of dance, including jazz dance and Latin dance. She began training in Kathak in 2003 and enjoys attending Kathak performances. On 2 August 2007, Discovery Channel announced Jagtiani as the new co-host of Daily Planet, a daily science feature show on Discovery Canada, starting 4 September 2007. She had co-hosted an India theme week for the program in the spring of 2007. She left Daily Planet in September 2008 and returned to India, where she currently hosts travel documentaries for Discovery Channel India and NDTV Good Times. She was one of 50 semi-finalists for the Best Job in the World, a competition created by Tourism Queensland to promote the Great Barrier Reef as a tourism destination. References. External links. A short article regarding Kim Jagtiani's assistance with India Unleashed. An article about the life of Kim Jagtiani. The Best Job in the World video by Jagtiani. Kim Jagtiani on India.Born.